bit of wildlife in Preston here. We've got the Major Mitchells in the apple tree. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're called Major Mitchells. Hey, wait, I'm filming away. They're loving the trees, they're eating the apples. Oh guys. Hello. Yeah, just keep him back a bit. What you doing? They're called Major Mitchells. They're coming into the city because there's no more trees in the bush. It's pretty sad if you really look at it. People start complaining about them eating their trees. Well, you know, we should plant more trees in the bush so these guys don't come into the city. Hello. I love the noise. That's freedom. There's a baby one there too. He's got apple in his mouth. He's a clever boy. Alright, let's go.